I'm gonna show you how to take these plain, boring wood candlesticks and make them totally super fun. And I'm also gonna tell you about that one time when I tried to DIY woodpecker removal and it didn't really work out for me so well.
We're gonna start off by putting down a layer of kissing booth. It is a beautiful bright fuchsia color. Don't worry about brush strokes or anything like that, just get that paint on there to get some coverage. DIY paint is a water-based and clay-based paint, and there's nothing like it on the market. It has only 9 ingredients, so it's completely safe and non-toxic and has no odor. I can always feel comfortable working inside my house. DIY paint is made in the USA and is owned by a woman entrepreneur.
So I'm laying in bed one morning and I hear this sound. It sounds like a jackhammer. It's in my bedroom. It's super loud and it just keeps going.
Next, we're going to add a layer of Salty Kiss. Don't worry about getting full coverage, just go ahead and get it on there, and if you have areas where the kissing booth comes through, that's okay too.
And I'm like, what the what? A couple days later, and I hear the noise again. And I finally figure out after a couple days that it's a woodpecker.
And lastly, we're layering our third color, which is Mermaid Tail, a beautiful turquoise.
Woodpeckers don't like shiny moving objects. And I managed to come up with this little whirligig thing. It was just like it was a piece of plastic about, I don't know, yay big, kind of like sort of like an icicle. So I have this amazingly brilliant idea that I am going to string this up and I'm going to hang it from the side of my house.
Use your damp lint-free cloth to take off as much or as little paint as you want. The beauty of DIY paint, the fact that it's clay-based, makes wet distressing super easy to do.
So, I have the brilliant idea that I am going to take the screen out of my bedroom window, which is on the second story, and I'm going to climb halfway out the window. So I am sitting, straddling the windowsill, and I'm going to launch this whirligig. So I've got one leg outside the house, and I've got one leg inside the house on the second story, and I start launching this whirligig, and it takes me probably, I don't know, like 20 tries. You guys, I am so proud of myself. I'm like, look at me. I'm a DIY queen. I can DIY anything. Not only can I paint and fix things, but I'm gonna get rid of this woodpecker on my own.
For this project, I chose to seal my candlesticks with DIY clear wax. You could also use clear liquid patina, or you could use Big Top.
About 2 days later, we have some wind. But it's the middle of the night, and all of a sudden we hear this like, ka-dzz, ka-dzz, over and over and over again. It turns out that my whirly gig, while it may have deterred the woodpecker for a couple of days, that hard plastic whirly gig was beating against the side of my house. So all night long, that's all we heard. So my husband is like, no, we can't live like this. This is terrible.
Allow your wax to dry overnight. Give it a good buffing with a clean lint-free cloth and you're all set.
And I hope that this project and all of your projects turn out way better than my woodpecker project.
You've been watching BJ with Junked Up. For more tutorials, please subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.